Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in my dining room. Welcome. So I wanted to jump on here real quickly and share with you the September Joyful Jordan box from Jordan Essentials. So if you're familiar with these, just bear with me and we'll get to opening the box in just a moment. But if you haven't heard of these, it's their subscription box program. You can buy the box once if you just want to try it out or give it as a gift to someone. You can also choose to do a recurring subscription. So every month on the same date, they'll charge your card and ship out the box to you. Or you can choose the Perks Club option where you choose a designated length of time. So either 3, 6, 9, or 12 months. And you either prepay or you do pay as you go. But when you're choosing those groups of months like that, then you get enrolled in the Perks Club. And the benefit to doing that is you get a quarterly coupon with your subscription, and that is for one item that the company chooses, and it's usually about a 70% discount off that item. So that's another great benefit. The box is $20 each month, and it is guaranteed to have at least $30 worth of products in the box. So that's another benefit, is you're saving some money. I love getting these because they make a great gift, either as a whole box, and you can add, one or two goodies in there if you wanted that are separate, or just put a nice card in there. The other thing that's nice is you can break it up into smaller gifts. So teachers, your mail carrier, your hairdresser, anyone like that you want to give a smaller gift to, then you've spent $20 total, but it's about $6 or $7 per gift, which is wonderful. The other fun thing about these boxes is that each one comes with at least one item that's exclusive to that Joyful Jordan box for that month. So typically there might be one item from the regular catalog and then two items that are exclusive to that Joyful Jordan box only. You can't get them in the regular catalog. So it's a chance to find out what that is, try out some new products, and just kind of see what else they might be thinking of adding down the road. So let's get started. This is the September 2019 Joyful Jordan box. So you can see it always comes in this cute little box, which is great for regifting. I love these too for if I'm mailing a gift to someone. They're really easy to just pack up, put your label on the back, put a little bit of tape on one edge, and you're good. So then when you open up the box, I'm going to try to do it without dropping things. There's usually a card in there, and either a Bible verse will be on there or just a cute little saying from Nancy. So this is the card for September, and it says, "By all these lovely tokens, September days are here, with summer's best of weather and autumn's best of cheer." So that's a cute little card. And then on the back of the card, it'll tell you a little bit about the products in the box. So that's the card that comes in this one. And you can kind of see all of these lovely goodies that are in there. This is a nice little box about relaxing. So we have a lavender essential oil spray, which this is from our regular catalog. And that's going to be it says, "On the go, on your pillow, relaxing, and the perfect essential oil for sleep and stress. Spray on clothing and skin alike." So I love having things like this around just to give myself a little spritz. Lavender especially is great on our sheets. Every time I make the bed, then I just do a quick spritz on the pillows and the sheets and comforter, and makes it all smell relaxing and soothing. Also, if you're just having a stressful day, this is a nice one. You can just sort of spritz around you and calm down a little bit. So you've got your lavender essential oil spray, and that's a 4-ounce bottle. Then we have the Lavender Bud Dead Sea Salt. So this is really cute too. This is an exclusive one, so this is not in the catalog. It says it's a palm full. You can put a palm full in a hot bath and soak away your cares and soothe tired muscles. So lavender is a great one for relaxing and soothing. It's power packed with 21 minerals from the Dead Sea, and then the beautiful lavender buds. So I know when you put this in your bath, it will, the salt will dissolve. Those Dead Sea salts will dissolve into the water and give you the benefits as it's soaking into your skin. But then the lavender buds will float on top, and it'll feel like you're at the spa, which is just wonderful. And if you're not someone that takes a bath, you can always just do a salt soak in a tub for your feet only, which is another really relaxing experience and just a great way to pamper yourself, do a little self-care, treat yourself a little bit. And your feet and your hands have the largest pores in your body, so that's another benefit to doing a foot soak, is you're at least getting most of those minerals absorbed up through the pores in your feet, because remember, your skin is your largest organ, so anything that goes on your skin gets absorbed into your bloodstream within 26 seconds. So it's nice when it's something wonderful like lavender. It's natural, it's calming, it's soothing. So that's a really special treat to have in there. And then finally, we just have a little bonus item of a bamboo face cloth. And I wish you could feel this. It's so soft. It comes wrapped up in that cute little bow. Isn't that darling? And it says it's an organic 100% bamboo fiber face cloth, and it'll leave your skin feeling soft and luxurious. It's antibacterial, antibacterial, hyperallergenic, and chemical-free fabric, so it's great for any type of skin. So that's another cute bonus item. So if you wanted to say, give a teacher maybe this little set, that's a cute little thank you gift for getting through the half a year and at Christmas time to relax and soothe away stress, and then keep this one for yourself. You could totally do that, or give this one to your mom and then give that to your sister. You can break it up however you like. But again, that's the Joyful Jordan box for September. There's one last look at it. Isn't that cute? And I will put the information down below, but let me know if you have any questions, and if not, then I will see you next time. Thanks for joining me, and have a great day. Bye-bye.